This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. You eat almonds and pumpkin seeds for their health benefits. Both are called superfoods, and both support heart health, muscle function, and stress control. But when it comes to magnesium content, one clearly provides more per serving. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today we break this down scientifically and practically. So, let's begin. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals in the human body. It is involved in more than 300 enzymatic reactions. It regulates muscle contraction, nerve transmission, blood pressure, and even sleep quality. Yet many adults do not meet their daily requirement. Adult men generally need about 420 milligrams of magnesium per day, while adult women need around 320 milligrams per day. So which food helps you reach that target more efficiently? Let's start with pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are among the richest natural sources of magnesium. Per 100 grams, they provide roughly 550 milligrams of magnesium. That means just 30 grams, about a small handful, can give you approximately 170 milligrams. That is close to 40% of the daily requirement for many adults in a single serving. Beyond magnesium, pumpkin seeds also contain zinc, iron, healthy fats, and tryptophan, an amino acid linked to improved sleep. This makes them particularly useful for people dealing with stress, muscle cramps, low energy, or sleep disturbances. Now, let's look at almonds. Almonds are widely consumed and nutritionally dense. Per 100 grams, almonds provide around 270 milligrams of magnesium. A typical 30-gram serving supply is about 80 milligrams. That is roughly half the magnesium content of pumpkin seeds in the same serving size. However, almonds offer other advantages. They are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. They provide heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, fiber, calcium, and plant protein. Almonds are also strongly associated with improved cholesterol markers, so in a direct magnesium comparison per 30-gram serving, pumpkin seeds clearly provide more. But the next important question is absorption. Both almonds and pumpkin seeds contain phytic acid, a natural compound that can bind minerals and slightly reduce their absorption. Soaking can help reduce phytic acid levels and improve digestibility. For pumpkin seeds, soak them in water for 6 to 8 hours. Light roasting at low temperature is acceptable, but avoid deep frying or heavy salting. About 30 grams per day is generally sufficient. For almonds, soak them overnight for 8 to 10 hours. If you have sensitive digestion, you may peel the skin after soaking. About 15 almonds per day is a reasonable amount. There are also precautions. Individuals with chronic kidney disease should consult a physician before significantly increasing magnesium-rich foods. Almonds also contain moderate levels of oxalates, so individuals prone to kidney stones may need to moderate intake. So if your main goal is maximizing magnesium intake naturally and efficiently, pumpkin seeds are the stronger option. If your goal is heart protection, antioxidant support, and cholesterol management, almonds provide unique advantages. In reality, they do not need to compete. They complement each other. A simple practical strategy could be soaked almonds in the morning for sustained energy and vitamin E support, and a small portion of pumpkin seeds later in the day to boost magnesium intake. The smartest approach is variety and portion control. If you found this comparison helpful and value clear, make sure to subscribe to the Mindhunters and consider joining our channel membership for exclusive content and benefits. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.